Hey there, fellow hustlers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you: how to make money online in 2023, and the best part is, you can do it with absolutely no money. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash or someone who wants to start a side hustle, this video is for you. So, let's dive right into it. 1. Unlock your skills. The first step to making money online without any investment is to identify your skills and talents. Everyone has something unique to offer, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, or even just being a great communicator. So, take a moment to figure out what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. 2. Offer freelance services. Now that you know your skills, it's time to put them to work. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are excellent places to start. Create a compelling profile showcasing your expertise, and start applying for relevant gigs. Remember, it's all about building your reputation, so go the extra mile to deliver high-quality work. 3. Content creation in YouTube. YouTube is a goldmine for making money online. If you have a passion for something, whether it's cooking, gaming, fashion, or technology, why not turn it into content? Start a YouTube channel, be consistent, and create engaging videos. We also have a dedicated YouTube course on how to rank, how to keyword research, and many more. If you are interested, write down in the comments section. As your subscribers grow, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. 4. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be an easy way to earn some extra bucks. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay users for sharing their opinions and feedback. It might not make you rich, but it's an effortless way to pocket some cash during your free time. 5. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online without spending a dime. Sign up for affiliate programs of products you genuinely believe in, and promote them through your website, blog, or social media. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Remember, transparency is key, so always disclose your affiliate links. 6. Start an online store, dropshipping. Setting up an online store might seem intimidating, but with dropshipping, it's easier than ever. You don't need to hold inventory or invest in products upfront. Choose a niche you're passionate about, find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, and start selling. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make the process straightforward. 7. Create digital products. If you're a creative soul, why not design and sell digital products? Ebooks, courses, presets, templates, and digital art are just a few examples of what you can create. Marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable allow you to showcase and sell your digital goodies to a wide audience. 8. Social media management. Love spending time on social media? Why not turn it into a money-making opportunity? Many businesses are looking for social media managers to handle their online presence. Offer your services to manage their accounts, create content, and engage with their audience. As you gain experience, you can charge higher rates. 9. Virtual assistants. If you're organized and good at multitasking, virtual assistants might be your calling. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Websites like remote.co and Zirtual can help you find these remote opportunities. So, there you have it, a bunch of amazing ways to make money online in 2023 without spending a single penny. Remember, success won't happen overnight. It requires dedication, consistency, and a positive attitude. Stay persistent, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Stay tuned for our next video where we will be sharing how to make money in 2023 with the help of AI. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Share your success stories or other money-making ideas in the comments below. Until next time, happy hustling!